All right, let's talk about a financial mystery that's probably happening in your home right now. It's this silent drain on your bank account that most of us don't even realize is there. So let's get right into it. 180 pounds. Now, just let that number sink in for a second. This isn't some kind of bonus or a government rebate. Nope. This is how much money the average household is literally throwing away every single year on energy that they pay for, but games. Now, just let that number sink in for a second. This isn't some kind of bonus or a government rebate. Nope. This is how much money the average household is literally throwing away every single year on energy that they pay for, but get absolutely nothing from. And let's be really clear here. We're not just talking about high energy bills in general. We're talking about a specific chunk of your bill that is pure 100% waste. It's money you're spending on electricity that gives you zero benefit. Nothing. Nada. So what exactly do we mean by wasted energy? Well, it's any power your home is using that isn't actually doing anything useful for you. You know, it's not lighting your room, it's not boiling your kettle, it's not powering your TV. It is the ultimate hidden cost, a fee you pay for inefficiency you probably don't even know is there. Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting, because when most people see their bills creeping up, they immediately point the finger at a couple of usual suspects. But here's the thing. The data shows that what we think is the problem isn't actually the real reason for this 180-pound hole in our pockets. So you think, oh, it's just high tariffs. And sure, they absolutely make your bills higher, but they don't create the waste itself. Or maybe you blame the cost of living crisis. And yeah, that's a massive pressure on all of us, but it's not the source of this phantom energy drain. You see, these are just symptoms. They're not the actual disease. The real cause? Well, it's happening inside your own home. So, if it's not the economy, and it's not the energy company's prices, then what on earth is it? You know, the answer is one of those things that's both ridiculously simple and, honestly, pretty frustrating when you find out. It all comes down to 5 specific culprits. And they're not out there in some power station or hiding in government policy. Nope, they're right there with you, inside your house. And this quote just nails it. It really gets to the core of the problem. 5 things hiding in plain sight in your home, and nobody talks about them. That's the phrase that matters, hiding in plain sight. They're literally right under our noses. So what are these 5 culprits? What's causing that 180-pound leak in your finances? All right, let's break it down. First up, you've got what's called vampire power. That's all the energy being sucked up by devices that are turned off but still plugged into the wall. You know the ones. Second, old, inefficient appliances. We're talking about that old fridge in the garage or a freezer that's been running for 15 years. They just guzzle electricity compared to newer models. Third on the list is poor insulation. It's simple, really. You're paying to heat your home, and that heat is just escaping right out through the walls and the roof. Number 4 is all about lighting. Think old school incandescent bulbs, or even just leaving lights on in rooms nobody's in. And finally, number 5, it's us. It's our own charging habits. Leaving your phone, your laptop, your tablet plugged in for hours after they're already fully charged. These are the things that make up that 180-pound mystery. And that really brings us to the most important question of all, because this isn't about some national average or a statistic in a report. This is about what's going on inside your 4 walls. Look, that 180-pound figure, that's just an average. For you, it might be less, but it could easily be a lot more. So the real takeaway here is a challenge for you. Now that you know what to look for, that vampire power, those old appliances, the leaky insulation, take a good look around your own place. What are you missing? What's hiding in?
Thanks for watching, everyone, so far.